Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can redeem any code in Asphalt Legends Unite. So as you can see, I'm using a simulator to play the game, but you can use your mobile devices as well because it is the same process. So first of all, what you'll have to do is you'll have to be downloaded. The game has to be downloaded and installed on your device, and then you'll have to launch your game. So after you launch your game, this would be your home page or home menu. So from here you'll have to press on the cog icon, which is the settings button at the top right corner. After pressing, you'll see there are some options here, and among them you'll find this redeem code button. You'll have to press on that, and it will take you to this website, or as you can see, the redeem code website. So all you have to do is you'll have to enter your player ID to link your ID with it, and then you can simply copy or paste or type in your code to redeem any codes that you have. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.